Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial, as always, is going to be very easy and simple, and it's also a beginner friendly as well. So if you already know how to start a crochet, it will be a great advantage for you as well. Yeah, so let's go. Have you ever tried making a crochet flowers? If not, I would love to share today's tutorial with you. It's going to be centered on how to make these simple crochet flowers. So I have made this is a darker pink, this is a lighter pink, this is white, and this is green, but on camera it's showing blue, but it's a lovely green color. Okay, yeah, so let's jump right into the video. Yeah, these are a list of materials for this project. Yeah, so this is called a starlight yarn, and this is a lighter green. I'll be using crochet hook 3.75 millimeter, the big eye needle here, and then my pair of scissors. In case I forget anything, you are going to read them on your screens. I'll just add up to the video for you to read. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's continue with the video. Now you're going to start with a simple knot. Okay, so if you're a beginner, this is the best way I can teach you. You just have to, it's either maybe you tie, some people used to tie it like that. Okay, and this is how I'll be doing this. I'll be creating my knot, and then you pick your hook, you insert it into the loop. Okay, so you have created a loop, or this is a knot, this part is a knot, and this is a loop you have just created. Yeah, so to continue, I'm going to make about 8 chains. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then from here the next thing to do is that you have to close the circle. Okay, so we're going to create a circle, so I'm going to create a circle, not to close a circle. I'm going to create a circle, so I have to close the chain. All right, and then make sure that the tail of the thread is not cut off. You don't cut it off. You're going to work around and then hide it in between your project. So we're going to slip stitch. So this is called slip stitch. Okay, so you yarn over, then you put through one like that, and so this is called a slip stitch. And then from here we're going to work through the circle we have just created. Okay, so we're going to make a single crochet. Okay, so I insert my hook in the hole or in the circle, and then I yarn over, I pull up a loop, I yarn over. So this is called yarning over, like that. When you have to use the hook around the I'm not an English person, people, so forgive me if I'm not using the right words, but when you have to use a hook around the yarn like that, it's called yarning over. Okay, so you yarn over and you pull through 2, and so we form our very first single crochet. Okay, so from there we make 2 chains on top of the single crochet, and the next thing to do is that we're going to make a triple crochet. So we yarn over 1, yarn over 2, we insert our hook in the circle, and then we pull through. We don't pull through, we pick a loop again, and now we have 4 loops on the hook. So we yarn over, we pull through 2, and then we yarn over, we pull through 2 again, and then we yarn over again, we pull through another 2. So this is our very first triple crochet. Okay, yeah, so we create another triple stitch here, or triple crochet. So we yarn over 1, yarn over 2, we insert it into the center of the circle, pull up. Now we have 4 loops on the hook, we pull through 2, pull through another 2, and another 2. Now we have 2, and then we make our one last triple crochet. So yarn over 2 times, and then we insert, pull out. Now we have 4, pull 2, 2, and then we'll pull through 2, and then the last one. So now we have 3 triple crochet. Yeah, so the next thing to do is that we make 2 chains on top, and then we make a single crochet to finish with the very first petal. So to do a single crochet, you have to go down through the center of the circle, pull a loop. We have 2 loops on the hook, and then we pull through 2, like so. So we are done with our very first one. So whilst you do this, try to pull the petals so that you have space for the other petals that you're going to create in the future, like that. Okay, now to continue with the second petal, we make 2 chains on the loop, on the single crochet, and then we start with another triple crochet. So 1, 1, 2, we insert into the center of the circle, we pull through. We have 4 loops on the hook. We pull through 2, pull through 2, then we pull through 2. We have 1, then we make another triple crochet. We insert, pull out, have 4, pull through 2, pull through 2, and then another 2. So to complete the second petal, we make 2 chains on the triple crochet. We go down through the circle, and then we complete our second petal with a single crochet, like that. Okay, to start another triple crochet, we make 2 chains, and then we start another triple crochet. So we're going to repeat. Yeah, so now you can see 5 petals. So I'm going to do 6 petals. Now I have closed the 5th petal and then added 2 chains to start with the 6th petal. So I'm going to yarn 2 times and then start with a triple crochet. So I insert my hook in the middle, and then I pull through 2, pull through 2, and I pull through 2. Yarn over again 2 times, set my hook, and then I pull through 2, pull through 2, and then I pull through 2, like that. The last one, yarn over 2 times, and I pull through 2, I pull through 2, and the last one. Yeah, so to finish off, I'm going to make a slip stitch in the very first single crochet, remember. So what you do is that I put my hook here. Let's see, that's difficult to find it. This is the single crochet we first did from here, and then a slip stitch. No, before I do that, sorry, I forgot. Yeah, so this part might miss you, so please don't forget you have to do a two chains on top like that, okay, before you slip stitch. All right, so you go through this part here, and then you, oh sorry, like that, then you cut off. You are done with your petal. So somebody might ask, if you could have finished off on the fifth petal. But I love my flowers like that. I like them to be a little bit clumsy, you know. They look gorgeous like that. I just love it like that. Okay, so let's continue. Next thing is I'm going to use this big eye needle to hide the rest of the yarn. So I go through like that, and then just to hide it like so. Then from there I just cut it off. I think I need to burn this, so I'll just be burning this part. Yeah, that's it. You do it carefully. And now we have our flower, beautiful flower. What do you think? Yeah, so this simple flower is finished already. Look at how it is. I'll try to make more and then see if I can make a simple bag or something else, you know. And also I would like to add that you can even make a pillowcase. I love doing pillowcases a lot, you know. Yes, so give it a try. It's very easy and very simple to finish. You don't have to use the same yarn like I use. You can use other yarns if you have. Give it a try and I'm sure you'd love to do more. Okay, so give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. Hoping that this video is quite helpful to you, and in case there's anything, please share with me in the comment section. Okay, so I'm going to see you in the next tutorial. Have a nice time. Bye bye.